Hey guys, this morning I was able to get some help from my girlfriend so we could lift the trunk lid and bolt it back in. That's quite nice. So adjustment has been made. So I think it closes pretty nice. So I just need to find the rubber seal for it, so I won't close it until I have put it in. But I'm going to prepare this the other fender today. So while I do this, I will get some time to wait for it to wait for things to dry, and then I have the time to put in the rubber and stuff like that. So we'll do that. The front fender is a few steps ahead from the front lid, so I decided to start removing the paint from the lid. And the way I do this is I tried a lot of things in the past, and some ways takes forever to do this, but I just did this in 10 minutes. This is just a polish machine running really slow and a 40 grit paper disc. It's really rough, and just pull it all off. And then at last, when I've removed everything, I will use this cleaning disc, and it will even out the surface, so it's really nice. Here we have a much more smooth surface from the cleaning disc compared to this the rough disc. So this is really nice, but something happened. I thought I was done welding on this car, but I found a few spots, tiny spots. But this is a dangerous area, welding up, so I have to take really much care that it will not get too much heat. I just found a moment to get the sealing. Let's see if we can fit this. Yeah. It just slides right in. Nice. I gave it some rust protection in the channel before I did this. Voila! It fits perfectly. So, the funny thing is, these rubber seals, they are made for the same different cars throughout 13 years. It's exactly the same. You just need to cut a little bit off so that it matches your car. But anyway, exactly the same Weatherstrip for all these years. That's how things should work today, I think. And now we can add the lock to it. Just in this hole. Yeah. I had to remove the rubber seal again because it was impossible to close the trunk. So it did not just slide right in. I tried several ways, but it was the hardest way, which is the right way. So this is how it fits, and it aligns perfectly with the trunk. That was a pretty tight fit, but a few days in the sun and the lid will close much easier. So remember to subscribe to the channel